Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are not in Canada, we're not in North America, we're actually in Italy in the Dolomites. And today we're staying at the Panoramic Lodge, which is right down there. So it's not a cabin, it's a resort hotel spa. It's absolutely incredible. I can't wait to show it to you. So without further ado, let's hop into it.
Entering the room, you'll see it's very high end with a really nice design and very nice accents. You also get some comfortable robes with your room. The sofa area also transforms into a bed, and the deck has a really nice view of the town and of the mountains. And they even provide backpacks for the mountains around. The bathroom, in my opinion, is the highlight of the room, and it feels very much like a spa. And speaking of spas, this resort is really positioned as a retreat, so it has an incredible spa with beautiful views, and overall it's just so relaxing. It also has a gym and some saunas, and you can even rent the rooftop outdoor hot tub and enjoy champagne and wine and some 5-star treats under the stars. I really cannot recommend this experience enough. And if you need to get some work done, there's also a co-working area with great Wi-Fi. And another highlight of this resort is the restaurant, and it comes with 5-star, 5-course meals daily, which are so good, and then in the morning there's a delicious and huge buffet. Now heading outside to the ski hill just behind the resort, there is a gondola which will take you all the way up, or you can hike it, but I believe the last gondola down is around 4 or 5 p.m, so if you don't make that, you're going to be walking down. And once you're at the top, there's a restaurant with some really delicious food, and then there are plenty of hiking trails for you to enjoy in the summer, or skiing if you're there in the winter. Within just a 10-minute drive from the resort, there is a beautiful little village on this lake with a nice old church, and it's a really good fishing spot. But if you're willing to drive a little bit further, you can experience some of the most incredible hikes and views on Earth. Several of these locations are short day trips away, and you could spend weeks here and still not see everything, so I can't recommend it enough.
Okay guys, that concludes this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you want to stay here, all the links to information are going to be in the description below. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.